how to bypass logout confirmation in WooCommerce. In this video, I'm going to teach you. It's too much easy and simple. So first of all, you have to log in inside your WordPress WooCommerce website, and just you have to go in the appearance and just you have to click in the theme file editor. After that, you have to go in the function.php. Now I'll give you this code in the video description. You can check this code. Okay, so and after that, just you have to come down in the bottom and you have to paste that code. Okay, just you have to remember the one thing is that, okay, so after pasting this code, just you have to click in the update file. Okay, so after clicking in the update file, this will help us to bypass our logout confirmation in WooCommerce. Thank you so much.